4 o'clock alarm and a lack of coffee beans is definitely not the best way to start the day. Grab my water and post-ride ginger ale, and then get on the road to head to Munay. As you can see, it's a bit of a drive from Dubai. We arrived in Munay at 6 o'clock and were rolling at 10 past 6, and Simon was, as always, being the salesman. Nah. We then stopped for a nature break, and then we saw the reason why we actually start cycling so early, although I don't think we're going to be setting off any speed radars anytime soon. This is pretty much the lowest point on our elevation profile now. We've just come down a nice long hill, and then we're heading along a fairly boring straight until we get to our coffee stop, which is unfortunately at Starbucks, but beggars can't be choosers. As you can see, a few people had a similar idea to us, and so we had a quick coffee and then jumped back on our bikes. And there's me catching Simon's good side. This is where we begin the mostly uphill road back to the car, going past the fishing dudes on the left hand side and then just gradually grinding our way up the hills. It was a pretty difficult way to finish the ride, so we needed a coke break and a rest, and we ended up back at Munay after finishing 70 something kilometres and 700 odd metres of climbing. Finally, here are the best 3 photos we took on the day, and that's it. Bye.